Hi students, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn 7th standard science term 1 all lesson book back answers. அதாவது book backல இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா லெசனுக்குமான 1 mark answers நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். Unit 1 measurement. First Roman, choose the best answer. First one, which of the following is a derived quantity? Answer option C, area. Second one, which of the following is correct? Answer option D, 1 liter equal to 1000 cc. Third one, SI unit of density is? Answer option B, kilogram per meter cube. Fourth one, two spheres have mass and volume in the ratio 2:1. The ratio of their density is 2:1. Fifth one, light year is the unit of distance. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, volume of irregularly shaped objects are measured using the law of Archimedes. Second one, 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 lakh or 10 power 6 cubic centimeter. Density of mercury is 13,600 kilogram per meter cube. 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 m. The area of a leaf can be measured using a graph sheet. Third Roman, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, the region covered by the boundary of a plan figure is called its volume. False. Correct statement, the region covered by the boundary of a plan figure is called its area. The correct. Second one, volume of liquids can be found using measuring containers. True. Water is denser than kerosene. True. A ball of iron floats in mercury. True. A substance which contains less number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. False. இதுக்கான correct statement, a substance which contains more number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. Next, match the following items. A, area meter squared, distance light year, density kilogram per meter cube, volume meter cube, mass kg. Next B, area plan figures, length rope, density g per centimeter cube, volume measuring jar, mass amount of a substance. Next, arrange the following in correct sequence. First one, 10 cc, 100 cc, 1 liter, 10 L. Second one, aluminium, iron, copper, gold. Next, sixth Roman, use the analogy to fill in the blank. First one, area meter squared, volume meter cube, liquid liter, solid kilogram, water kerosene, iron aluminium. Next, seventh Roman, consider the following statements and choose the correct option. First one, assertion, volume of a stone is found using a measuring cylinder. Reason, stone is an irregularly shaped object. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்ஷன் ஏ. ஆப்ஷன் ஏல என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next, second one, assertion, wood floats in water. Reason, water is a transparent liquid. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்ஷன் பி. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next, third one, assertion, iron ball sinks in water. Reason, water is denser than iron. Answer option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next, Unit 2, Force and Motion. First Roman, choose the best answer. A particle is moving a circular path of radius r. The displacement after half a circle would be 2r. Which of the following figures represent uniform motion of a moving object correctly? Answer option B. Third one. Suppose a boy is enjoying a ride on a merry-go-round which is moving with a constant speed of 10 meter per second. It implies that the boy is answer option C in accelerated motion. Accelerated motion. From the given Vt graph, it can be inferred that an object is answer option D moving with the uniform accelerations. How can we increase the stability of an object? Answer option A lowering the center of gravity. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the shortest distance between two places is displacement. Second one, the rate of change of velocity is acceleration. If the velocity of an object increases with respect to time, then the object is said to be in positive acceleration. Fourth one, the slope of the speed time graph gives acceleration. In neutral equilibrium, the center of gravity remains at the same height when it is displaced. Third one, match the following. Displacement meter, light traveling through vacuum, uniform velocity, speed of ship knot, center gravity of geometrical shaped objects, geometric center, stability, larger base area. Next, fourth Roman, analogy. Velocity meter per second, acceleration meter per second squared, length of scale meter, speed of aeroplane knot, displacement per time, velocity, speed per time, acceleration. Unit 3, matter around us. First Roman, choose the appropriate answer. First one, which one of the following is an example for a metal? Iron. Second one, oxygen, hydrogen and sulfur are examples for non-metals. Third one, which of the following is a short and scientific way of representing molecule? Answer option B, chemical formula. Next, fourth one, the metal which is liquid at room temperature is answer option C, mercury. Fifth one, an element which is always lustrous, malleable and ductile is answer option B, metal. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. The smallest particle of matter that can exist by itself, atom. A compound containing one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen is CO2. Graphite is the only non-metal which conducts electricity. Elements are made up of same kinds of atoms. Symbol of some elements are derived from Latin or Greek names of the elements. There are 118 number of known elements. Elements are the simplest form of pure substances. The first letter of an element is always written in capital letter. Molecule containing more than 3 atoms are known as polyatomic molecules. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. Next, third Roman, analogy. First one, mercury liquid at room temperature, oxygen gas at room temperature. Second one, non-metal conducting electricity, graphite, metal conducting electricity, copper. Third one, elements combine to form compounds can be split into elements. Atoms, fundamental particle of an element. Molecules, fundamental particles of compound. Next, fourth Roman, state true or false. If false, give the correct statement. First one, two different elements may have similar atoms. Answer, false. இதுக்கான correct statement, two different elements may have different atoms. Compounds and elements are pure substances. True. Atoms cannot exist alone. They can only exist as groups called molecules. False. இதுக்கான correct statement, atoms can exist alone. They can only exist as groups called molecules. NaCl represent one molecule of sodium chloride. True. Argon is monoatomic gas. True. Next, unit 4, atomic structure. First Roman, choose the appropriate answer. First one, the basic unit of matter is atom. The subatomic particle which revolves around the nucleus is electron. Third one, dash is positively charged, proton. The atomic number of an atom is the number of protons. Nucleus comprises of protons and neutrons. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the smaller particles found in the atom are called subatomic particles. Second one, the nucleus has protons and neutrons. Third one, the electrons revolve around the nucleus. If the valency of carbon is 4 and that of hydrogen is 1, then the molecular formula of methane is CH4. There are 2 electrons in the outermost orbit of the magnesium atom. Hence the valency of magnesium is 2. Match the following. Valency, electrons in the outermost orbit. Neutral particle, neutron. Ion, Fe. Hydrogen, monovalent. Positively charged particle, proton. State true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, the basic unit of an element is molecule. False. Correct statement, the basic unit of an element is atom. The electrons are positively charged. False. Correct statement, the electrons are negatively charged. An atom is electrically neutral. True. The nucleus is surrounded by protons. False. Correct statement, the nucleus is surrounded by electrons. Complete the analogy. Sun, nucleus, planets, electrons. Next one, atomic number of protons or electrons, mass number of protons and neutrons. Next one, K na potassium, C na carbon. Sixth Roman, consider the following statements and choose the correct option. First one, assertion, an atom is electrically neutral. Reason, atoms have equal number of protons and electrons. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second one, the mass of an atom is the mass of its nucleus. Reason, the nucleus is at the center. Answer, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Third one, assertion, the number of protons or the number of neutrons is known as atomic number. Reason, the mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons. Answer, assertion is false but the reason is true statement. Next, unit 5, reproduction and modification in plants. First Roman, choose the appropriate answer. First one, vegetative propagation. Propagation by leaves takes place in Phylum. Vegetative propagation by leaves takes place in Phylum. A sexual reproduction in yeast is budding. Reproductive part of a plant is flower. Pollinators are wind, water, insect. இது எல்லாமே all the above. Climbing roots are seen in both of them. Fill in the blanks. First one, the male reproductive part of a flower is androecium. Ovary is the basal swollen part of the gynoecium. After fertilization, the oval becomes seed. Breathing roots are seen in mangroves or Avicennia plants. Onion and garlics are example for bulb. State true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, a complete flower has four holes. True. The transfer of pollen to the stigma is known as pollination. True. Conical shaped root is carrot. True. Ginger is an underground root. False. Ginger is an underground stem. This is correct statement. Leaves of aloe vera are fleshy and store water. True. Match the following. Petal attracts insect. Fern, spore. Phylloclade, opuntia. Hooks, Bignonia. Shakar, chrysanthemum. Next, unit 6, health and hygiene. First Roman, choose the appropriate answer. Ravi has sound mind and physically fit body. It refers to health. Sleep is not only good for our body, but it's also good for mind. Our living place should be clean. Fourth one, tobacco chewing causes. Answer option B, periodontitis. Fifth one, the first aid is to answer option D, relieve the pain. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, a group of people living together in a particular area is called community. I am green color box with garbage. I am biodegradable dustbin. Eyes are considered as windows to the world. The hair follicles produce oil which keeps the hair smooth. Tuberculosis is caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Third Roman, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. All food should be covered. True. Chicken pox is also known as leukoderma. False. Correct statement, chicken pox is also known as varicella. Stomach ulcer is a non-communicable disease. True. Rabies is a fatal disease. True. First degree burns damage the whole skin. False. Correct statement, first degree burns damage the outer layer of the skin. Next, fourth Roman, match the following. Rabies, hydrophobia. Cholera, cramps in legs. Tuberculosis, Mycobacterium. Hepatitis, yellow urine. Typhoid, salmonella. Next, fifth Roman, analogy. First one, first degree burn epidermis, second degree burn dermis. Typhoid, bacteria. Hepatitis, virus. Tuberculosis, air. Cholera, water. Sixth Roman, consider the following statement and choose the correct option. Assertion, oral hygiene is good. Reason, sound teeth has healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. Answer option A. Both A and R are true. Second one, assertion, chicken pox is a viral communicable disease. Reason, it's characterized by rashes on the whole body, fever, headache and tiredness. Answer option A. Both A and R are true. Next, Unit 7, Computer Visual Communication. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following is an example for animation? Visual communication. Second one, who uses the Photoshop software more? Photographer. Which option is used in the Microsoft Photo Story to upload the photos? Begin a story. Which technology shows the computer drawn pictures as real picture? Virtual reality. Which technology uses pixels to create pictures? Raster. Which software is used to create symbols? Vector graphics. Match the following: animations, visual communication, raster, pixels, vector, illustrator, virtual reality, 3D, video story, Microsoft Photo Story. Standard 7 Term 1ல சயின்ஸ்க்கான புக் பேக் 1 மார்க் ஆன்சர்ஸ் இந்த வீடியோவோட முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா வீடியோக்கு ஒரு லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ஆன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.